Today we have two models of Godox WMicS1. The Kit 1 comes with one transmitter and the Kit 2 has two transmitters. So two people can use it at the same time and having the audio recorded on two channels. That sounds interesting. This entire video was filmed using Godox audio system. Omahe, and let's put this guy on test. So the WMicS1 system runs on two AA batteries. Although the wireless audio systems that have built-in batteries can run for about 5 to 7 hours, you cannot trust them on set in a long shooting day. The built-in batteries need to be charged, and even when using a power bank on set will make the workflow uncomfortable and your setup will become though much larger than hand-sized system. AA batteries can be found anywhere, in a shop, in your neighborhood, in a petrol station, and I prefer to use rechargeable AA batteries. Let's take Rode Wireless Go as an example. This guy costs about $200 and it comes without any lavalier microphone, while Godox WMicS1 on the other hand comes with omnidirectional lavalier microphone, an XLR audio cable, and only costs $180. And the Kit 2 model on the other hand is selling for $250. These units are provided by Advanced Media in Dubai. Thank you Advanced Media for supporting the channel. However, this is not a sponsored video and my content is fully independent. Now let me tell you more about my audio settings. Here I'm using Sony 6600 camera with audio level 9 and the Godox receiver is on level 18. I have a loud voice and you may lower your audio level, so check that as well. The units are remarkably lightweight and good for traveling, and rated to work up to 100 meters, 300 feet. The receiver has a headphone jack, and it's important to monitor the audio quality and levels off camera. The transmitter, on the other hand, have a mic input as well as a line-in input. That could be an audio coming from a mixer. Both units have battery power indicator and audio level indicator, and they feature a USB Type-C port and can be also powered directly from a USB power, such as a power bank. Now regarding the audio settings, with the Kit 2 that has two transmitters, you can choose to record both transmitters on a mono channel, so the first and second transmitter will be mixed in the same audio track. Or you can choose a stereo, so one transmitter goes to the left channel and the other one to the right channel, and in post you can play on each one. Eventually, the new Godox WMicS1 wireless system has a great performance for the price. I hope this video helped in making your decision. Show me a thumbs up if you find this video helpful and bump the subscribe button for more camera gear reviews. Thank you for watching guys, this was Oma and see you in another one.